My name is Lacey Jordan. I've been here 1.5 years and I'm a floater in face frames. I'm from a little town called Wadley, Alabama. When I was 16, I started volunteering for hospice. We would go see the people after they lost their loved one, and there was this one lady. She was really heartbroken, and it really bothered me. And I asked her, we were releasing balloons and stuff, and I was like, "What color balloon do you want?" She's like, "I don't want a balloon." I'm sorry. I went and got her like the whole color, all the colors. So, and it just finally made her smile. It took a whole day to make this lady smile, but it kind of prepared me to be a better person. I can work with anybody you put me with because of that. I've worked a lot of bad jobs and I'm a single mom. So, I feel like God brought me here. It's pretty awesome. It's peaceful. Everyone gets along. Like whenever people are going to get water and stuff like that, they'll grab you a water. They think about you, That's very important, especially when you're having a really bad day. You have all these people around you. My proudest moment would have to be being a mentor at Wellborn, helping people out, getting them used to what they're doing, and if they need help, they need some direction, I take people to the cafeteria. If they need direction, go to the break room, the bathroom, and stuff like that. And if you just need some encouragement for the day. People count on me to be here. I'll talk to my team leader and see who's out, what's going on, and if someone's out, I'll build, I'll float, I just float around. I have one daughter, her name is Freya, and she's the apple of my eye, really. Like, the reason I get up every day is my daughter. She asked me not to come to work, but I tell her she's the reason why.